what would you do with an extra $500, an extra $1,000 a month? What would you do with that money? What would be your dream to do if you earned that much extra every month? Vacation, maybe a car payment, savings, kids' college, all sorts of things you could do with $500 to $1,000 extra a month. Hi everybody, Patty Dooley here with Tupperware, and guess what? It is that time, and it is time for our Tupperware Say Yes offer. And the reason I ask you what would you do with that much extra money a month is because, well, everybody can use a little extra money. Everybody could use a little extra paycheck. You might have something that you're wanting to save for. You might be trying to pay off some credit card bills. You might be trying to put back for a vacation. You know, that dream that you've had and you're like, oh, I really would love to have that. If I just had a little bit of extra money, I could do that. Well, today I'm here to offer and talk to you about starting your own Tupperware business. And with your own Tupperware business, you can do just that. You can party for a living. Yay! Who does not like parties? Everybody loves parties. Everybody loves getting together. Everybody likes eating. Everybody likes sharing and having fun. So why not have a business that does that? This month, from March 31st to April 27th, when you say yes to Tupperware, there is something awesome that you can add to your kit for just an extra $25. Now that's not right up front. The only thing up front is a down payment of $39. But what you get to add on to your kit this month is our stack cooker. Oh, I love the stack cooker. Love, love, love the stack cooker. This thing is amazing because you can do all sorts of stuff in here. It comes with a lid that you can cook in. It has a cone so that you can do cakes and meatloaf. It has a colander where you can brown meat. It has a 1 3/4 section where you can cook in, and then it has a 3-quart bottom. And this is what you can add to your Tupperware business kit this month until April 27th, 2018, just for $25 extra. I mean, there's a lot of businesses that you can get into and do, but some of them cost you quite a bit of money. And with Tupperware, it's just $39 down plus tax. That's it. $39 down. The kit's $99. Now, you probably wondering, what about the other $60? Well, this is what will happen. One, when you sign up and you begin to place your orders and work your Confident Start program, you get to $1,000 by your first 60 days. The rest of your kit balance is waived. You don't have to pay it. Plus, you're earning stuff along the way. And money. Who doesn't want money? And you're probably wondering, well, what would I do with a stack cooker? I've never had one before. I don't know how to use it. Well, that's where I come in. I will teach you how to use the stack cooker. You can do meatloaf in here. You can do a whole chicken in here. You can do casseroles in here. You can do cakes in here for 6 to 8 minutes. They're done. You can do vegetables. You can steam potatoes. You name it. I will teach you how to use the stack cooker for your parties. And then you can learn and then take it out and just begin to share with people what you can actually do with the stack cooker. That is awesome. It's so amazing because what I love to do in Tupperware is share this with other people and share times that they can come together as a family and have time together, wonderful quality time, teaching them how to use the products and then doing it with their family. So our Say Yes offer right now with Tupperware is the stack cooker until April 27th. Now you're probably thinking, okay, I'll go out and I'll share. What else? Well, guess what? Tupperware, we always go a step beyond. If you do one standard party by April 27th, let me show you what you can add onto your kit. Now this is kit must-haves. Kit must-haves. Awesome products. You can add on the little chop and prep right here. Use this to do garlic and herbs and cookies for crunchy toppings, all sorts of things, nuts. You get to add that to your kit. Plus you get to add the Quick Chef Pro system here. This will all be in blue here. And this just works with the turn of a handle. You can make salsas. You can make 2-minute ice cream. It also comes with a basket and a paddle. You can do all kinds of dips and things in here. Plus it comes with a top, so when you mix something up and you're not ready for it right then, put the seal on it, stick it in the fridge, and go back to it later. And then not only that, this is all together now, guys. This is all together. A Quick Chef Pro, and the little chop and prep, and the pasta center, the Modular Mates pasta center. You're gonna get 2 of the number 4 ovals and 2 of the number 2 squares. So you'll have a pasta center or whatever you want to show this off to be at your party. So you can get all of this while you're working your parties in the first 30 days by April 27th, and add all of this to your kit for what? Let's see how much. I'm gonna make sure I tell you the right amount here. All this you can add for $30 to your kit. That's $177 worth of products. Just this right here, not including the stack cooker. So if you're thinking about a Tupperware business, if you're wondering about it, you're just like, oh, I just gotta have that, then contact me today and I will be happy to talk with you. You can find me on Facebook at facebook.com/TWPattyDooley. You can message me there. You can email me at pattydooley@hotmail.com, and I'll get with you. Then we can talk on the phone. We get to know each other, and then you will be on my team. You will be part of the Rockin' Plastic Divas. So if you'd like to know more about a Tupperware business, especially this month with the stack cooker and all the training that I'm going to give you so you can learn how to go out and rock your own parties and earn your own money for that vacation, or even possibly a free car. Who doesn't want a free car? I do. So if you want to know more, then just contact me today. I'll be happy to get with you. So you guys have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.